This is REALME V60 Pro, and today I'll show how you can create screen recordings on this device. So first, launch the control panel, expand the list of controls or tiles, and see if you have the screen recorder icon here. I do not, but that's fine. If you don't have the icon either, tap at those three dots, select Edit Tiles, then in the More Tiles list, look for the screen recorder, here it is, and then simply add it to the list of active controls or active tiles. Now simply tap on it to start a screen recording, then tap here, and as you can see, the screen recording is currently underway. You can also set up the sound preferences or the sound source so you can mute or unmute both or either system and microphone sounds. If you would like to pause the screen recording, tap here. If you would like to finish it, tap there. Now, in order to find your screen recordings, open the Gallery app or Photos app to be exact, then Albums, and as you can see, all of your screen recordings will be automatically saved to the Videos folder here. So you will find all of them right over there. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.